I have an assessment for your team's readiness to implement Agile, right? Your team's readiness to implement Agile, right? Or those of you who say you're using it and you're not quite sure that it's working, this is a fantastic assessment for you. This will take you a few minutes. I'm going to answer a couple questions in the chat while this happens. And when you're done, we'll have the opportunity to take a look at this group's results in Yerbo. Okay, so those of you who know me, right, you know I love a good tool, right? So I love me a good tool. And this is a tool called Yerbo. And so I'm loving it for diagnostic assessments. If you're doing leadership assessment or a training class, you can send this out. You've now experienced it from the learner's perspective. I'm just testing it out for the first time myself. Or this is my first full program with this. So it's pretty cool. So what we've done is we've been able to take a look at how folks are responding in aggregate. And across 3 dimensions, right? So system, we have tools and processes and evaluation, our change and stakeholder engagement, and then just our Agile knowledge and approach. So I'm going to start with Agile knowledge and approach. For those of you who, I just want you to take a look at, if you're feeling bad about your Agile implementation, your colleagues here, right? I've got a couple of you in the chat who are like, oh, ouch, I scored lowly. It's okay. It's okay, right? And that's really what this is all about, right? So when we get into, right, our understanding of Agile, right, and how people are connecting in, we have a few different dimensions, right? Do we understand what it is we're getting into, right? Does the team understand what we're getting into? Right? We're going to talk a little bit about team learning and some of the power of that as we get going today, right? And then taking an Agile approach to your Agile implementation. That's what we're going to end today with choosing a first project for implementation. Change management, got a little bit stronger sense for change management. And so I think that feels like a really effective space for folks. Right? Oh, stakeholders, okay, stakeholder management. Okay, let's take a look at your own leadership skills. Oh, look at this. As leaders, we've just found, right, your secret weapon. As leaders, you get this, right? You're building that environment for psychological safety. You're building that trust with the team that helps them with this. Love it. Let's dig in a little bit here on system tools. All right, do we have the right tools for the job? Oh, people are feeling like we have the right tools for the job. By the way, I am loving this assessment. Right, are we evaluating our implementation? My data side of me says hats off to you, right? And are we talking about tools meaning more than software? Oh, good. Yes, because a lot of times people ask me about tools. What tools do you use? And then they cringe if I bring out a Word document or an Excel document that's a template or a thing, and they're thinking, no, I meant like my software, right? And so, you know, what project management software are you working on? So cool. All right, everybody, thank you. This provides so much insight and will actually help me tailor the rest of today.